Hey everybody, you're about to see the world's first TRX-4M from the driver's seat. Let's take it outside. Wait till you see this. Let me show you how we did it. The first step for installation was 3D printing a mount for the air unit. Let's take a look inside. The camera system is powered by its own battery. We used a strip of Velcro to mount the battery to the top of the existing battery. We're using the balance connector from the battery to power the air unit. Let me show you the equipment we used. First of all, we used the DJI FPV digital goggle system and the matching DJI FPV air unit. The DJI air unit is super versatile, so I can pull this off and put it on any vehicle. It's super easy to install, it changes the whole driving experience, and we have everything here at Friendly Hobbies. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, and comment, and we'll see you soon.